Hello, welcome to another crochet video. Today we're going to be learning how to do the half triple / treble. You'll see both used in patterns. Stitch, and reminder that this is in US terminology. So if you're in the UK, it's going to be a little bit different. All right, so what I have here is I've got 5 stitches. I just did a simple single crochet. And what I'm going to do is chain and turn. So for triple crochet, it's a very tall stitch. So most patterns will indicate how many you'll want to chain, but I'll just chain 4 for now because it's a really tall stitch. And then we'll turn. And then for the purposes of this, I'm going to work into this first stitch here. A lot of patterns will say that this counts as a stitch because it is so tall, but just follow what the pattern says and you'll be fine. So for half triple crochet, what we're going to do is we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook twice, so you have 3 loops on there. Put it into the stitch that you're working, loop over again. Now you have 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. So we're going to do that again. Wrap, wrap, into the stitch, yarn over again, pull through, so you have 4, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. All right, we're gonna do it again. Yarn over, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. We'll do 2 more. 2, 3. Whoop, shoop. Into the last one. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 3. And that is how you do half triple crochet. You can see that they're very tall compared to the single crochets down here. So it's really good if you're trying to work up something really quickly, but it does leave a lot of holes. So if you're looking for like a light, airy fabric, this is probably a good stitch for you if you're also looking for something that works up pretty quickly. All right, well that's how you half triple crochet, and next time we'll do full triple crochet.